Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to easily export your DaVinci Resolve projects. So as you can see here, I'm in DaVinci Resolve. I'm working with DaVinci Resolve 19, and I'm going to export this project with this video that I'm working on that contains subtitles. So to export this project, just simply go ahead and click the file in the upper right hand side or the upper left hand side rather, and then you want to click an export project. You can also press Ctrl+E. It's a very quick easy shortcut there. So click an export project. You'll have the option to save. As you can see, said, do you want to save this project? You can say save, and then you can give that project a name. So I'm going to just say video with subtitles, right? Or SRT. So simple as that, and just simple click and save. Now I will choose where I want to save that. So let's say I want to save it in the downloads. I can do that, and that's it. You can see the DaVinci Resolve project is now saved in the downloads folder, and you can see it's there with the project and with the DaVinci beautiful logo there. And that's it guys. I can go ahead and I can close this current video that I'm working on, and I can easily open the project next time. I can open the project directly from the project folder from the project file here, or I can open it directly within DaVinci Resolve. So if you want to open the project again, you can easily double click, and it's going to trigger the DaVinci Resolve application, and it's going to open DaVinci Resolve where I can easily go ahead and use it. So as you can see, it's loading DaVinci Resolve right now, and that's it. Once it loads up, I will find that project, and as you can see, it shows there, it says copy of this current one. I can just simply click and cancel here. I don't want to cancel, I don't want to do that, but I can simply go ahead and open up this video with SRT, then click and open, and you will see that it loads me right in back to my project. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.